So this exercise is called telepathic counting. It's a really cool way to get a group synced up energetically and vibrationally so that they're feeling each other. And it's also a game where we get to offer and receive. So you have to be really great at listening for this space and then assertive when you make your offering. However many people there are in a group, we're going to be counting chronologically up to that number. So there's 10 of us here, so we'll be counting from 1 all the way to 10. You can offer a number when you feel called and when there's space to offer it. And we're going to be going in order, but there's no set order for us. So we, as a group, need to go from 1 to 10, but any person can offer the next number when they feel called. If 2 people say a number at the same time, we start all the way over again from 1. And so I invite you guys just to really emphasize your listening and receptivity, and then follow the feeling when it feels like there's space to make the offering of the number. Any questions before we try? Okay, let's do it. So we're going to put both of your thumbs to the left. Both thumbs to the left. Great. So we can have this kinesthetic connection in our hands, and then we're going to close our eyes. And just take a nice breath in and out. Just feel the synergy of the circle and the group mind, our telepathic communication increasing. Whenever anyone feels called, they'll begin with 1 and we'll go all the way up to 10. Oh, last thing to say is that you can only offer 1 number into the circle, so we make sure that each person has said 1 number as we go from 1 to 10. So whenever anyone feels called, we can begin.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Well, you guys are really good.
That was amazing.
You guys did great. So let's do it again, and then just to give ourselves a challenge, let's see how quickly we can go from 1 to 10 without overlapping. Okay? So big breath in and out.
1,
2.
1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
3.
4,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
10. Yay! That one was a little more realistic. So that's often what happens is people get really excited and they want to put their number in, but then there's not space and there's not as much listening. So oftentimes I have to say, okay, it usually goes the opposite way where it's really, really fast, and then it's like, okay, let's take a breath, let's listen to each other, wait till you feel called. So that, and the bigger a group you have, obviously, the kind of longer it takes. But you can do this with 20 to 30 people, and it can 20, 25 is like a good max, and then you're like, okay.